Welcome back, artistic family, to another adventure. Today I wanted to do an earthy metallic pour using my DecoArt metallics. I'm using a satin enamel base that I'm just loading, as you guys can see, in a puddle. And I'm just using some of the leftovers that I had from my Dutch pour. And I love these squiggly lines, as you guys know, curvy lines, the S, diagonal. It's just any of those movements I find create gorgeous compositions without really having to work for it. And you guys will see later on in the pour how this simple design, this simple swirly ziggly design, creates beautiful composition no matter what you do. Now here I'm putting this silver more around the pour rather than within it, and I love that because it just outlines and leaves that gorgeous kind of shadow, sunken bleed through look with the satin enamels, and it really gives it that gorgeous abstract feel. So you guys will see this come together as I tilt. Now there's a lot of stretching in this one, and I often stretch quite a bit, guys, when I use the satin enamel base, whether it be with and for my pearls, or if I'm just looking for that sunken kind of cloudy effect. And that's oftentimes why I use the satin enamel, not for the pearl pours, and I kind of have a separate mix for that. I don't even require any of the Floetrol when I use my satin enamel mix, and this has no Floetrol in it. So it's just my satin enamel, my Artist Loft Soft Body White, and then a little bit of Liquitex gloss pouring medium, and water to thin to a very thin consistency. Here I'm just moving the canvas around just to show you guys how great this looks while I'm fixing up the corners from any composition. So horizontal, vertical, it looks fantastic. So it is absolutely super vibrant. I always say that because they are. The paints that I use are just absolutely stunning. I just wish you guys are able to see them in their true raw form. But if you utilize them, then you know. But here I'm just showing you the gradation of, or the gradient I should say, of the dark to light and how gorgeous that silver looks. Like, it just makes the painting. It's just so subtle, and I absolutely love that subtle beauty. And it can be seen, but it doesn't pop. And all the other colors just add that contrast. Very earthy, beautiful, gorgeous, elegant composition, and I love it. So if you guys do too, I'd really appreciate it if you can go ahead and smash that like button. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next pour.